I'm going to teach you how to make an easy, recyclable dog toy. First, the materials will be a plastic bottle, about this big. Now you're going to need a cap to screw on. You're going to need about 12 to 13 rocks that can fit in your bottle. This is how you make it. You'll put all your rocks inside. Then you'll screw the cap on really tight, and then the last thing you have to do is make sure you have a dog. So I'll show you how this works. Stop recording.